Greetings, fellow growth getters. This is Seth from growthcolony.com, and today we're just going to talk about our latest 2 SEO success stories and how we ranked these 2 small business websites in Toronto for their money-making key phrases within 2 months. It's not always this easy, but with the right analysis, right execution, and niche, it can be. Let's get started with Natural Healing Health Center, who approached us for a complete website redesign, and we turned their website from this into what we see today, a money-making, lead-generating website. For the record, we're giving away 10K value, 10-page websites for just $1,000 and 10K value, 5-page websites for just $750. Contact us at info@growthcolony.com for more information on the offer. But let's double click back into this success story. And the proof is in the pudding. If you typed in Massage Eglinton, Massage is a highly search volume service across the greater Toronto area. A lot of people are looking for massages in Toronto, and our client is ranked on page 1 in their local area. Position 3. We did this within 2 months. We'll type in acupuncture, which is also a complementary service to massage, which helps alleviate pain. They are ranked on page 1, position 4. Let's type in traditional Chinese medicine. It's a low search volume, but it is a service that they offer, and they are ranked on page 1, position 1, and also in position 6, page 1. So they have 2 landers on page 1. It only took them 2 months. What we did was through a backlink campaign after we built the optimized website, developed a content marketing strategy, and today they have over 180 plus key phrases ranked and indexed into Google. It's a brand new URL, and they are ranked organically 24/7, 365 for their money-making key phrases. Let's double click into the second URL, Metro Cleaners, who have a new owner. A new owner bought the building, and they wanted to transform this website. You can see it's missing media, it's super minimalist, and DIY. We transformed this URL from this into this. Again, we're giving away 10K value, 10-page websites for just $1,000, and we're giving away 10K value, 5-page websites for just $750. If that interests you, contact us. Let's double click back into Metro Cleaners. If we type in their services into Google, dry cleaning, Scarborough, and notice our client website is on page 1, position 1 of Google. If we type in their secondary service, laundry, you offer laundry washing for commercial buildings and businesses. They're ranked on page 1, position 2, and also position 4. We type in pressing. They also offer pressing for businesses. That's ironing. They are ranked on page 1 for position 1 and 2. And we type in alterations. They have a on-site tailor who does alterations for dresses, pants, what have you. It's super convenient. Alterations Scarborough. They are ranked on page 1, position 2, and also 4. And it took a month. Again, this is a 30-year-old business with a 30-year-old domain, and they did not know how to optimize their website. They weren't ranked for their key phrases as they are today. And again, they are ranked 24/7, 364 for their money-making key phrases. They're also spending, both URLs are spending approximately $500 to $600 in ads. They are both on a search engine program for $1,000 plus their ad spend. So both URLs are approximately spending $1,500. They're pulling in approximately 20 plus calls a month. You'll see Metro. It's relatively new URL. They pulled in 21. That's only going to grow after getting ranked within a month. And they're also spending $600 a month on ads. All right. So if this interests you, if you guys are looking for a brand new website or interested in a lead generation campaign, contact us at info@growthcolony.com. We'll set you up with something that fits your budget and your marketing objectives. Again, this is Seth, your captain speaking here at growthcolony.com. Until next time, over to the moon and out.